Do truck drivers lose their jobs to AI? Hey folks, welcome to today's video. I'm your Fernando, and today we're diving into a big question that's on a lot of minds, especially if you're out there shipping loads across the country. Do truck drivers lose their jobs to AI? Picture this. You're cruising down the interstate, wind in your hair, coffee in hand, feeling that freedom of the open road. But whispers are out there about self-driving trucks taking over. Is it true? Well, that's what we're unpacking today. We'll look at it from all angles to help you, the hard-working trucker, stay ahead of the curve. Be vigilant, adapt, and grab those new chances coming your way. To kick things off, here are the 6 key points we'll explore, like chapters in a road trip story. 1. Do you think truck drivers will be replaced by AI? 2. In the absence of drivers, how will ropes be tightened if they're loosening on the way to the destination? 3. Who will replace a punctured tire? 4. How is refueling possible? 5. Any chance for hacking the truck? 6. What is the future of truck drivers? Stick around as we tell these stories in plain talk, share some eye-openers, and end with hope for what's next. Let's roll. Will truck drivers be replaced by AI? Imagine Joe, a veteran trucker with 20 years under his belt. He's heard the buzz about companies like Tesla and Waymo testing self-driving trucks that can haul freight without a human at the wheel. Joe's thinking, am I out of a job soon? Well, here's the real deal. AI is coming to trucking, but it's not kicking drivers to the curb just yet. Right now, in 2026, these smart trucks are mostly in trials on straight highways or simple routes, like from warehouse to warehouse. They're great for long, boring hauls where they can save fuel and time. But full replacement? Not happening overnight. Studies show it'll take years, maybe decades, for them to handle every twist and turn. Think of it like this. AI is like a trusty co-pilot right now, helping with things like staying in lanes or spotting traffic. It makes your job safer and easier, not gone. But to stay sharp, truckers like Joe should learn about these systems. Get certified in AI-assisted driving. It's like upgrading your rig for better mileage. That way, you're not replaced. You're irreplaceable. Tightening loose ropes without a driver. Now, let's zoom in on a bumpy ride. Picture a big rig loaded with lumber, heading cross-country. Halfway there, the wind kicks up, and those ropes holding everything down start to slack. With a human driver, you'd pull over, hop out, and cinch them tight. Easy peasy. But what if the truck's driving itself? No one's there to notice or fix it. That's a big hole in the AI story. Today's self-driving trucks have cameras and sensors to spot issues, but they can't climb out and tie knots. They'd have to signal for help, maybe pull into a rest stop where a remote team or roadside crew takes over. This tells us AI trucks aren't solo acts yet. They need human backup for real-world messes like shifting cargo. For you drivers, this means new gigs could pop up, like being a cargo guardian who rides along on tough loads or monitors from afar. Stay vigilant. Learn rope tricks and load securing like a pro, and you'll be the hero AI calls when things loosen up. Replacing a punctured tire. Speaking of messes, ever had a flat tire at 2 a.m. in the middle of nowhere? You jack it up, swap it out, and keep rolling. Tough, but you do it. For an AI truck, it's stuck. No arms, no tools, just a smart brain that can detect the puncture and limp to a service spot. But who does the dirty work? Right now, it'd radio for a mechanic or tow truck, causing delays and extra costs. This is why humans shine. AI handles the drive, but you handle the grit. Picture future truck stops with auto repair bots. But until then, drivers like you are essential. Opportunity alert. Train in mobile repairs or become a specialist for AI fleets. Turn that puncture into your paycheck. Refueling the truck. Refueling. Simple, right? Pull up, pump gas, grab a snack. But for a driverless truck? Some folks are dreaming up automated stations where the truck docks itself and robotic arms fill her up. A few test spots exist, but they're rare, like finding a clean restroom on a back road. Most places still need a person to handle the nozzle, pay, or deal with spills. So AI trucks might run electric or on fancy fuels to skip pumps altogether, but that's not everywhere yet. This gap means drivers stay in the loop for fueling runs. New chance, jobs in building or running these smart stations. Get ahead by learning electric vehicle basics. Your rig's future might plug in, not pump up. Hacking risks. Okay, thriller time. Imagine a hacker in a dark room, tapping keys to mess with a self-driving truck. Sounds like a movie, but it's a real worry. These trucks are like giant computers on wheels, connected to the internet for maps and updates. A bad guy could trick sensors into seeing fake obstacles, causing swerves or stops. Or worse, take control and cause chaos. Experts say it's possible, like spoofing lasers to hide real dangers, but companies are fighting back with super strong locks. Think firewalls and constant checks. Still, no system's perfect. For truckers, this means vigilance. Report weird tech glitches and learn cybersecurity basics. Future jobs? Truck guardians who monitor for hacks from control centers. AI needs watchdogs, and that could be you. Weather woes, rules of the road, and teamwork. Before we wrap up, let's add a few more tales to the fire. First, weather. AI trucks struggle in snowstorms or fog, where sensors get confused. Humans? You feel the road. Adjust on the fly. So, on bad days, drivers rule. Then, the rules. Governments are slow to okay full AI trucks everywhere. Laws, insurance, who's at fault in a crash? These hurdles mean change comes gradual. And here's a bright spot. Human-AI teamwork. Think platoons where trucks link up, led by a driver in the front, safer, greener, and you oversee the tech. These extras show AI isn't a job killer, it's a shifter, creating roles in oversight, maintenance, and innovation. The future of truck drivers. So, what's the future look like for truck drivers? Not doom and gloom, but evolution. Jobs might shift, fewer long-haul solos, more local deliveries, tech monitoring, or training AI systems. Reports say by 2030, AI could handle routine trips, but humans tackle the complex stuff. But here's the good news. New doors are swinging open. Opportunities in drone-assisted loading, remote fleet control, or even starting your own AI-upgraded trucking biz. The industry needs 80,000 more drivers now. AI helps fill gaps, not erase you. To my fellow road warriors, stay vigilant. Upskill with online courses on AI basics, network at trucker meetups, and embrace the change. You're not replaceable, you're adaptable. The road ahead is exciting if you're ready to steer it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. What AI fears keep you up at night? See you next time. Safe travels. Now, let me tell you something important. This video you are watching right now was created using HeyGen. No camera, no studio, no lighting, no editing skills, no Photoshop. HeyGen's AI video agent takes a simple idea or text and turns it into a complete professional video. Think about your current workflow: writing scripts, filming, editing, managing tools, or people. HeyGen collapses all of that into one single step. YouTube hooks, done. Social media clips, done. Explainer videos, done. If video production speed was your advantage, that advantage just disappeared. And if you avoided video because it felt complicated, that barrier just vanished. The creators and businesses who move first will build audiences faster than ever before. Click the link below and start free with HeyGen.